bwana mama.
I don't know how to backstab, and I don't know how to be a mole. I don't know how to pretend. When I decide to move to another party, it will be in broad daylight. I will call for a press conference. I will present the facts on the table. I will justify my move. I will take it to the public opinion to see why I have been pushed to take that decision. And while I want to state that the word impossible is not in politics, bearing in mind that today, by end of today, I have to be a candidate. I will walk in here and get a firm confirmation from my party that I'm in the race. But failure to that, feeling that I'm unfairly being bundled out of a political race, which is a democratic right, my right under the Constitution, then I will be left with no option but to seek a friendly party that supports the ideals similar to the ideals that I support in this party.